Yes, stop browsing on the internet looking for some opportunities for you to make money, yeah? Because you found the right one here. This program is so easy. Anyone who joins this program, 100% they are going to make money. I can guarantee that. Just a click of a mouse, about 10 clicks a day, you can see the money coming into your account. So I joined this program 7 months ago. So far, I've created 6 diamonds under me, and now I'm a crown diamond. Yes, I'm known as a diamond maker. When I found this program, I never expect it to be this easy. Yes, after 7 months, I'm gonna rock the MLM world. I'm gonna show the world that this is the program. They should take a serious look at it, because not everybody joining MLM or other affiliate program are making money. But here is something different. So long you can click a mouse, you will make money. So please pay a close attention. Go and watch all the videos in this website. This is a matter of whether you believe it or not. If you do believe it, you are going to make money. 1 hour after you join it, you are going to make money. But if you don't, I'm a bit sorry for you. But my advice to you, if you are still skeptical, why not go and watch the videos? Try to build your belief. The moment you have the belief, you are set to make money. So all the best, guy. I hope this will be a life-changing video that you ever watch.
Our state-of-the-art advertising platform ensures your income will continue to grow by leaps and bounds year after year. When we get paid for an advertising product, we share the profits with our members. Instead of writing huge corporate checks to ourselves like Google, we write thousands upon thousands of smaller checks to ordinary folks just like you. All you have to do to receive your share of the profits is purchase one or more credit packs for $49.99. Then click on 10 ads daily. This qualifies you to earn up to 72 payouts every day until you've received $60 in return. That's it. We kept the process simple to guarantee that everyday people could cash in on the more than $1 billion spent every day for online advertising.